Scarecrow asked me to do a Beetlejuice inspired look using their zombie teeth paint and blood kit, and of course I said yes. For an intense brow, I'm using a matte black eyeshadow, and for my eyeshadow primer, I'm using the Essence Prime Like a Boss primer. And as a second base, an SFX paint stick by NYX Cosmetics. Now using a light green eyeshadow, I'm applying that in my crease using windshield wiper motions. And on the inner and outer part of my eye, I'm applying a purple eyeshadow. Next up, I'm using this shade right here and this one, and I'm applying that on the center of my lid as a highlight. For that Beetlejuice-like skin, I'm applying a white grease paint and I'm smudging that onto my skin so it creates some texture. And of course, I'm going to set that with a translucent setting powder. And that's also going to aid in creating texture. Taking that green and purple eyeshadow again, and this time I'm applying it on my lower lash line. Next up, I'm going to use that purple eyeshadow and define my smile lines and my nose a little bit more. And I also used it as blush because why not? With alcohol activated paints, I'm creating some nasty green blotches. You can also use face paint for this. Now I'm going to take some fake moss and Pros-Aid, you can also use lash glue, and apply that on top of those green blotches. Again, to give me more of a Beetlejuice look. It's inspired by him after all. For my teeth, I used the Scarecrow Zombie Teeth Paint and Blood Kit. I have a separate video for that so I can tell you how that works. And that is it for my final look. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you, Scarecrow, for asking me to do this. I cannot wait to see part 2 of Beetlejuice in the theater soon.